Okay, here we have the EQ509. This is one of the latest models that we have in our digital Quran range. And without any further ado, we will open the box and have a look at the contents inside. So we have the most important device of all in this box, which is the digital Quran itself. We also have in here, this is for US customers, a 2-pin charger, which they can plug in at the mains. The other side just plugs into the bottom, just on the underside. So we'll just move that to the side for now. We also have a compass, so this can be kept in your pocket and taken with you at all times. Also a set of earphones for more private listening at the digital Quran. So if I just flick this switch at the top just here, just to turn the device on, and as you can see, the first menu that we have here is the main menu, where we can just skip side to side and have a look at the various different sub options that we have. So if we just start with the highlight feature of this, which is the Quran itself, and if you just press the play button, and it'll go into a sub menu for the Quran. Now from here, as you can see, you can select which surah you want to listen to, the verse, whether you want to repeat this, the different reciter. So we have 8 different Arabic reciters here. The translation, which we have in 28 different languages. As you can see, there's an exhausted list here, so we'll just pick the one that I understand the best, which is the English language. And you can also choose the size of the font that you want as well, just for the people who need to enlarge in the font. So we'll just select the surah we want to listen to. We'll just pick this one at random, and the verse, we'll just pick once again. If you press the play button, that's just picked at random as well. And then all you do is press the start button. You can just pause it, and if you press this button here, it goes back a screen. So as you can see, you come back into the same category again, and it's very simple to use. You can listen to any ayat or any verse or any chapter of the Holy Quran, picking from various different reciters. Here is our reciter list. I will just quickly demonstrate. You can pick from various different reciters. Obviously, some of the most renowned reciters, like Sheikh Sudais, are also on here as well, which you can also listen to. So there we have it. Press the stop button here and we'll go back a screen, and we'll go back to the main menu, and we'll move forward to the next section, which is the recitation section. Now this is the final part of the Holy Quran. This is the 30th chapter. And just to quickly demonstrate how to use this, if we just select any reciter here, there's one already selected for us, and if we just pick any surah from, any chapter from the final part of the Quran, so we just select this, and if we just press the start button, press the play button just to pause it once again. If you press the stop button, you can go back a screen, and you can choose from any part, any surah from the final chapter of the Quran, and an exhausted list of various reciters as well. So press the stop button again to go back to the main menu, and we'll move forward, and here we have the tafsir books. Now this is a very interesting section, because the tafsir, which is an explanation of the verses of the Quran, is referenced by various hadiths as well. So you can select from different hadith books, which we have here in English and in Arabic. So the most famous tafsir book is Tafsir Ibn Kathir, and if we just select that in the English language, if you just select any chapter at random, so the opening chapter and any section, so here, as you can see from here, you can select any section by just scrolling down the list, and just if you just select that, and then when you select the read button, and here you have it. You just press the down button, scroll through it, and you can read that at your own leisure. Press the stop button, once again back to the main menu, and we'll move forward now to the hadith books. Now here we have some of the